Good evening. Happy Sunday. This is the next day of, what do I call them? Comic relief songs. I'm all made of hinges 'cause everything bends from the top of my neck way down to my ends. I'm hinges in front and I'm hinges in back, but I have to be hinges or else I will crack. I'm all made of wrinkles and stuff that don't bend, inside and out and outside and in. You ever had a colonoscopy? That's fun. But I'm still smiling happy with a spring in my step, and as long as I nap every day I am hep, or rad, or bad, or cool, or bomb, what else? Or sick, or savage, or beast, or dope. But I have to be hinges or else I will crack.